devices, the AI Portrait Master, the Honor 200 5G series in the flesh, right here, right now. Gonna hear a little bit of excitement from you guys. Woo! Okay, so before we start, I'm sure you were all excited for tonight. Before anything else, let me just introduce myself once again. Hello to everybody and to the familiar faces that I am seeing in the audience. My name is Princess Legaspi, honored to be your host for tonight, and of course I am so thrilled to be with you as we meet and greet and relish in the beauty that is the Honor 200 5G series. It is also my honor to welcome our guests, our distinguished guests this evening. First and foremost, the Honor Executives, Country Manager, Mr. Sean Yuan. So give us a wave. Very good. Thank you so much. Hi. GTM Director, Mr. Steven Yan. Wow, there he is at the back. And of course, our Vice President, Mr. Stephen Chen. Woo! Pulong kabatayan. We are also delighted to have with us our esteemed partners. We have Miss Mara Aquino Fresh from the 2024 Esports World Cup in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Miss Mara, are you here? Okay, so if you guys are here, please wave or say hi to us and show us how happy you are to be here tonight. Of course, we also have Mr. Larry Secreto from JBL Philippines. Hi! Maraming fans. Yeah. Hello, sir. Miss Joy Marcelo from Sparkle GMA Artist Center. Hi, there she is in front. And Miss Annette Bozon Valdez of GMA Network. Hi, thank you so much, of course, for gracing us with your presence. And syempre, hindi mawawala a special welcome as well to our honor stars. We have Shaira Diaz. Shaira Diaz, hello, hello. Sean Lucas. Frank Valdez. Pauline Andelix. Martin Chua. Aaron Villena. There we have it. Sandra Muna. And of course, good friends of mine, we have Valerie Tan. Miss Valerie Tan, are you here? We have Isa Lev. Hi. Nicole Rapadas. Ashley Season. Jessica Yan. Sophia Jarlin. Carl Limpin. Shine D, fellow content creator. Hello to you. Nice to see you finally here at Honor Philippines. And of course, we have right here in the flesh, Smart Omega Team. Hello to you guys. Of course, our very own Honor 200 Portrait Masters, Borgie Angeles. Bella Dinglasa, a very good friend of ours as well. And of course, Bella Morsan. Thank you so much once again for gracing us with your presence. And to all of our stunning honor stars we have here tonight. At hindi mawawala ang pasasalamat, of course, to our media friends who have always been there with us all throughout for almost 2 years now, I guess, and for every launch that we have. So let's start off with Jamie Fernandez of Bill Star Live. Oh, give us a wave. Doing off Unbox PH of the entire Unbox Creator Network. We also have James and Tessa from Business Here. April and Budong from Manila Standard. Gian and Ellen of Gadget Pilipinas. Adam and Esther from YPPs. Rodnina of Gadget Match. Monch and Laura of Rebel PH. Mary Bautista. Vika from Second Opinion. And Josh from Village People. We also have the Tutas of Tag. We have Reggie, Rap, Eli, and Rafi. Hello to you guys. Nice to see you again. And of course, to the rest of our broadcast and media friends tonight. Hindi ba na natatapos ang introduction ko? Oh, we also have our partner dealers, telco partners, and online dealers. We have Memo Express, Power Premium, Avanson, and Silicon Valley. Along with that, we also have Quanson, Green Telecom, and Home Along. We also have Easy Panda, White Solutions, FC Home, Shopee Philippines, Lazada, and TikTok Shop. Thank you so much, you guys. And of course, the members of the Honor Community. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Last but not the least, of course, to our Honor team here with us tonight. Palakpakan naman po natin sila for organizing this wonderful event for us. And what a venue, diba? Beautiful setting that we have right here. Para na tayong nasa art gallery. Of course, furthermore, beautified by you guys. Welcome, and of course, thank you for celebrating the grand launch of the Honor 200 series with us. By the way, to everyone here tonight, I know that you're bringing out your phones, taking photos and videos. Please do not forget our hashtags for tonight. We have hashtag Honor200, alam nila yan, hashtag AI Portrait Master, and hashtag HonorXArtCraft. A special shout out as well to our audience who are watching us from home. Hello po sa inyong lahat. From your homes. I hope that you are all enjoying. They are not only watching us but enthusiastically joining us from all over the Philippines. So, kung love niyo kami at kung narinig niyo kami, nakikita niyo kami ngayon, please show us a thumbs up naman dyan sa chat box natin. Maraming salamat. Perfect! I guess we need everyone to bring their highest energy tonight. Kaya niyo ba yun? Parang kulang pa. Isang ganito sa inyo to. Kaya ba ng energy niyo tonight? Yes! How about over this side? Kaya ba ng energy mo? Okay, perfect. I love it. Because tonight marks an incredible milestone for Honor Philippines. Over the years, we've borne witness to Honor's impressive lineup, one phone at a time. But tonight, ladies and gentlemen, for the first time ever in the Philippines, Honor is launching not just one, alam niyo ba yun? Not just one, but two cutting-edge smartphones, the Honor 200 and the Honor 200 Pro. You can get a great time for that, ladies and gentlemen. At the event Tapos tonight, we're not just introducing two new smartphones. We're entering a new era of visual storytelling and setting a new standard. Because the Honor 200 5G series introduces a new groundbreaking innovation. AI technology integrated seamlessly into portrait photography, a game changer in the industry. The Honor 200 5G series reimagines the way we capture portraits, leveraging AI to deliver exceptional clarity, depth, and beauty in every shot. Hailed as the AI Portrait Master, the Honor 200 5G series revolutionizes the way we capture our precious moments by elevating every portrait to perfection. And of course, with its uncompromising quality, accurate display colors, AI wide angle selfie, sleek design, and ultra-large storage, what else can we possibly ask for? Now, the Honor 200 5G series is everything we want in a smartphone and then some. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight prepare to witness innovation at its finest, beginning with a very special guest and a wonderful collaboration, a team-up between Honor 200 and Studio Hardcore Paris. Sino dito yung mga nakapunta na ng Paris? Yung iba dyan, mahambol na, di ba? Paris, as we all know, is home to the most iconic portrait shots of Audrey Hepburn, Karl Lagerfeld, and all of Hollywood's biggest names. Now, to tell us more about it, ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome Honor Philippines Brand Marketing Manager, Ms. Joby Dipon.
Who have been waiting for Honor 200 series. Well, guys, please say Honor 200 if you're from the members of the press.
Honor 200!
And if you're from Party Friends group, please say Honor 200. Alright, so more energy please. Say Honor 200. Alright, thank you so much guys. Because we have already partnered with local and international brands. And one of those that we're very proud of is Studio Hardcore Paris. For those who do not know it yet, Hardcore is a professional portrait photography studio in Paris where famous international celebrities took their timeless portraits. And I'm proud to present to you that we worked so hard to bring their portrait quality and technology in the Honor 200 5G series. It's founded in Paris in 1934 and it is the only photography studio that classic celebrities and artists trust to take their portraits. And in our technical cooperation and communication with Harcourt, we have technically broken down the secrets of Harcourt's portrait perfection into 3 levels, which is the before, during, and after processes. So guys, imagine all of these processes are merged by AI into Honor 200 5G series. You don't need to combine 5 lightings. You don't need to set up a photography studio or photo shoot studio. And you don't need to post-produce or edit because all of these things are merged into one technology, which is the Honor 200 series. Truly, this is the AI Portrait Master because it's a fusion of technology and art. Well, it may look easy, but the partnership is backed up with engineering. As you can see, we spent 400 days, 1,000 scenes, and 1 million plus light and shadow testing just to wrap our portrait perfection into one photo. And the Harcourt portrait, it's worth 2,000 euros or 120,000 pesos. So imagine having a 120,000 peso worth portrait with Honor 200 series. Would you also believe, guys, that we were able to experience this weeks ago? I think that was 3 weeks ago. Yes, we brought Harcourt Paris to the Philippines. And it is not possible without these photographers and portrait masters. So please join me on stage, Borgie Angeles, Bella Merced, and Bella Vilasa to walk us through our experience with the portrait master. Good evening, Borgie. Good evening, Bella and Belle. So we have a triple piece here. Alright, so Bella, are you familiar with the Harcourt Studio Paris prior to that?
I love the branding of the Harcourt Paris kasi the image
replaceable. Bali, it is a bit inspirational kasi parang ako din gusto ko pag yung photography ko gusto ganun din. Na timeless siya, na malalaman ko na siya yung photo. Tapos, nalaman ko rin pala na yung Harvard Paris, hindi lang siya studio. So, meron din siyang cafe, pwede ka rin private events like weddings and business lunch, mga ganun. Tapos, mas ano siya, mas nagustuhan ko siya kasi hindi lang siya for solo portraits. Pwede sila pumunta ng couple, family. So, pag nandun ka sa Paris, mas maganda yung experience kasi i-share mo yun with your loved ones. And,
It's not just a cafe. It's not just a portrait photography studio, but a cafe as well.
yes. Tapos, and then, sobrang mahal din pala ng Harvard Studio. Tapos, parang 20,000 pala siya. So, ngayon, may experience na natin lahat yung Harvard Studio sa loob.
Yeah, thank you so much, Bella. And guys, look at these photos, these portraits. It's taken by these three lovely photographers as well. So let's clap our hands for these lovely masterpieces here. And of course, some of you guys were able to experience the photo shoot done by Margie, Bella, and Belle. So let's have a round of applause. Alright, thank you so much, Bella. Well, Margie, I'm also curious because you're known to into fashion photography, but what are your thoughts on Modern 200 and hardcore studio carries about fashion?
Meron na akong papayo.
Well, so it is for other the partnership. So they have taken so many iconic people. So basically you're getting 120,000 peso portrait within a home. So I think it's amazing.
Yeah, so it means you are able to experience the luxurious portrait experience or masterpiece of hardcore into just one photo. So thank you so much, Margie. Guys, I'm very curious also, what's your experience during the Honor 200 photo shoot? Because you were able to work with our celebrity friends as well, members of the press, and other friends, Honor fans and Honor community. Margie, what was your experience during that time?
It was very cool. I met a lot of really amazing people and I really enjoyed shooting within the phones live.
What about you, Belle? Because you're really into photography as well.
Bukod sa nag-enjoy maraming tao, nag-enjoy ako, nagkunan yung mga tao ng limited lighting lang, pero ang ganda agad. Di ba parang less yung setup, pero grabe, parang yung sinet up mo parang 10 na ilaw, kahit 3 lang, ganun.
So it also means that it's really fun for the boss. And you can save so much by using Honor 200 just to capture your project. Alright, Bella, I'm also curious, what was your highlights during the photo shoot?
Sa lighting setup kasi iba ko shoot. Tapos, nalaman ko pala na every shadows and every light na pumapasok sa face nung kinumulan, hindi ibig sabihin pala yung sa artist. So parang, okay, kailangan pala maganda doon sa shoot. And hindi din siya masyadong mahirap yung sa continuous light. Kasi parang may something din sa cellphone, parang maganda siya agad. Basta using the correct lighting and execution, talagang mag-provide para sa artist.
Yeah. All of you guys are into DSLR photography, we all know that. But Belle, since you are more into mobile photography, what are your tips in doing mobile photography with Honor 200?
Tips, siguro for the media or influencers, since kayo nandito, I think yung advice ko lang for mobile photography is just find your light. Kasi kapag nandun yung ilaw, yun yung hanapin mo kapag mag-picture ka. Saka personality ko na siya eh, yung mga pinupost mo, kunyari, kahit stories lang, or kahit post, parang personality niya siya. So, dapat gandahin mo na din. Effort, ganun.
Thank you so much, Belle, Bella, and Margie, for that insightful statement. So So, guys, thank you so much for making this event possible as well. Because without your presence, this area, this place won't be that beautiful. So, thank you so much.
In a world full of stars, one is tasked with photographing the rest. Harcourt Portrait Studio in Paris is a master of light and shadows. With each lighting setup, numerous cinematic tungsten lamps illuminate the scene, selectively highlighting the environment, contours, face, and eyes, carving out clarity from chaos, defining the subject's elegance. After more than 400 days of research and millions of computational adjustments, Honor 200 series has learned the essence of Harcourt lighting art, all within a smartphone camera. Each time the shutter is pressed, the main camera, H9000, captures a wealth of light and shadow information, skin texture, skin tone, even position, brightness, color temperature, and ambient light intensity. This information is processed by Honor's AI lighting neural network, applying Harcourt's lighting techniques to uniquely craft each portrait. The Honor 200 series features an AI generative model that makes skin texture appear naturally refreshed. Combined with dual lens depth technology, it shows the spatial beauty of Harcourt portraits with pro-level optical blur. With every shot, Honor 200 series delivers the unique style of Harcourt. Honor 200 series brings the art of cinematic lighting from the studio to daily life. AI continues the legend of Harcourt lighting art.
Alright, before I say goodbye, and before we finally unveil, let's see how Honor brought Harcourt Studio Paris to Philippines with the AI Portrait Master Honor 205G series.
Watch me get live.
Alright, once again, let's all give a big hand for Chucky, Bella Bell, and Borgie, the Madam Contest. Thank you so much to you guys, and clearly, when true masters in photography meet the AI Portrait Master, the Honor 205G series, magic happens. And while we may not be seasoned experts like them, the Honor 205G series empowers us to frame our best angles and master the art of photography to honor our best selves. Wow, I love that. With the Honor 205G series, every shot truly becomes a stunning masterpiece. Well, thank you so much to our guests for starting off our event at such a high note. Actually, kanina pa kami nag-picture taking ni Belle. Kaya Belle, mamaya makukunin ko yung mga photos ko from you. But anyways, we've had an incredible start and there's so much more in store for everyone tonight. We invite you guys to stay until the end of the program because we have awards and surprises waiting just for you. And I guess at this point, it's time to dive into the impressive features of the Honor 200 series. Are you guys ready? I can't hear you louder. Are you guys ready? To guide us through the Honor 200 and the Honor 200 Pro State-of-the-Art specs, let's warmly welcome the Honor Philippines National Trading Head, the one and only Mr. Jaynard Lamarca.
And it's almost yesterday since we have launched the last Honor and And tonight, ladies and gentlemen, I am proud to present to you a great addition to our number series, Honor 200 and Honor 200 Pro. This is the most powerful yet in the number series ever. Let's start with Honor 200 Pro. It is equipped with a studio-level portrait camera composed of 2 megapixel ultra-wide and macro camera for exceptional travel and landscape photography. 50 megapixel telephoto camera for promising zoom photographs. 50 megapixel portrait selfie camera to ensure clear selfies. And 50 megapixel portrait main camera. Ladies and gentlemen, the main camera is equipped with the largest sensitivity area in the history of Honor number series, with 1/1.3-inch flagship main camera, H9000, big focal with 1.9 aperture, equivalent pixel area of up to 2.4, with ultra-high sensitivity, as well as ultra-high definition brought by the 7D lens. SMA actuator plus OIS allows you to focus quickly and capture the details of light and shadow in a flash. Separately, realizing the sense of reality, space, and art. Honor 200, reconstructing smartphone portraits aesthetics with AI. To show the best side of portrait light and shadow in different scenes, we input millions of light and shadow and build an AI neural network model which results in a 3-dimensional texture of a portrait blockbuster. This makes portraits look almost exactly like reality. Honor also builds a 3D modeling of the DSLR level bokeh effect from the aperture to focal length to objective distance. This is to achieve a 3D sense of light and shadow space. Well, Honor 200 Pro starts from the raw domain and integrates hardcore portrait art style into the full pathway of AI image processing, elevating the smartphone portrait effect to an artistic dimension. On Honor 200 Pro, it brings users to 3 different portrait styles. 1 is the hardcore vibrant, 2 is the hardcore color, and of course, we have hardcore classic. Hardcore classic style has black and white vibes, pure and timeless, eliminating the distraction of color from the picture, enhances the emotional details of the character, such as those portraits of international artists. Ladies and gentlemen, let's watch this video. In addition, for the needs of professional users, we bring dual HDR style, which can take HDR portraits with 1 click. Which can take HDR portraits, this can easily handle different portrait light and shadow artifacts. With an optical telephoto lens, the Honor 200 Pro enables a smooth zoom in experience from 1 time, 2.5 times, and 5 times, and even up to 50 times. We also offer a series of AI creations. There will be an upgrade for Honor 200 Pro soon, in which this feature will be available. The most interesting feature that Filipinos should be excited about is, you're correct, the AI eraser. If you have photos and you want to want an elements on the background like photo banners, just select the AI eraser tool in the gallery for you to have photos like this. Here's a great example of seamless removal of a photo banner. There you go. Here's another before and after photo sample. And if you have a good group shots, but one of you has the close eyes, Honor 200 Pro has a tool to correct that. Amazing product indeed, right? Well, truly, photos in the gallery can also be edited to change the focus as you want. Truly, Honor 200 Pro is the AI portrait master with its triple 50 megapixel camera, 50 megapixel selfie camera, AI portrait features, and dual HDR functionalities. This time, ladies and gentlemen, let's come to the design. The Honor 200 Pro continues the mirror of neo art, bringing a classic symmetric and aesthetic shape with good color rhythms. As you can see, Honor 200 Pro is a fusion of matte and glossy, available in ocean, cyan, and black colors. So Honor is always on the top of the game when it comes to screen display. Let's look at the parameters of this 4000 nits HDR peak brightness of Honor 200 Pro. It's the industry's leading technology with 437 ppi, ultra-high pixel density, and top-notch color-calibrated performance. More and more Filipinos are concerned with their eyes, of course. That's why we make Honor 200 Pro secure eye protection. Honor has always been consumer-centered, catering Filipinos with Honor Eye Comfort Display. This has dynamic beaming technology, which simulates natural light rhythm to release eye fatigue. Speaking of that, color temperature is an overlooked cause of visual stress. In that case, Honor 200 Pro features natural tone display to auto-adjust the screen color temperature according to the environment. Continuing with last generation's 3840 Hz PWM dimming, Honor 200 Pro provides an excellent viewing experience in low brightness environment. That's why we got TUV Rainland flicker-free certification. And again, this Honor Eye Comfort display which provides Filipinos with the most comprehensive eye protection. Lots of glasses? Let's talk about the experience. The Honor 200 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 8S Generation 3 flagship chip with 4 nanometer process. With extremely strong generative AI capabilities, this is the key element and reason why we selected this chip to continuously bring more powerful AI experiences to consumers. We also put a lot of effort into hit distribution to fully utilize the chip's performance potential. The 200 Pro features the largest stainless steel bionic VC in the history of digital series, with a whopping 5,564 for square millimeters for those who like to play games or like to challenge extreme performance. This will fully satisfy your requirements. And apart from that, we also chose 90 FPS from one of the most challenging FPS games. Guess what? What is that game? You're right, it's PUBG. And compared to Galaxy S24, we can see that the stability and average frame rate were better than the other throughout. We also want to announce to you that Honor number series comes with a 5,200 milliampere silicon carbide battery for the very first time. The ultra-high energy density delivers a larger battery capacity in a smaller size. This also supports 100 watts wired supercharging, charging to 50% in, what do you think?
30 minutes.
Correct, it's 50% in 15 minutes. Really amazing, huh? It also supports 66 watts wireless supercharging, charging to 64% in, guess what?
30 minutes.
Yes, definitely correct, 64% in 30 minutes. All the features needed for daily use are also available, such as dual speakers, infrared sensor, IP65, linear monitors, and more. Well, let's talk about Magic OS. This Magic OS 8.0 reimagines the operating system with the AI, which has received a lot of positive feedback from the users. Magic OS supports Magic Portal, a feature enabling AI capabilities to drag in photo or text so you can do online search. This is also Magic Capsule, which allows you to see notification on top of the screen, and you can also use 3-finger swipe down to save web pages. The web page can be saved and you can check it even without the internet. Again, this is Honor 200 Pro, ladies and gentlemen. A true AI portrait master. And with its AI portrait camera features, screen display protection features, worldwide certifications, 100 watts of supercharge, 66 watts of wireless charge, architectural design, and AI-ready powerful processor, massive storage, and many more features. And for sure, if you're curious about Honor 200, same as Honor 200 Pro, it also has a quad curved screen with a very handy filling, making it easy to print anywhere. And we have eye protection mode, studio level AI portrait camera, and it has the same hardcore portrait mode features as Honor 200 Pro. And the triple camera has triple 50 megapixel camera, supports the same features too, capable of 50 times zoom and other photography features. It has 5,200 milliampere battery and 100 watts wired supercharge feature. And of course, it is available in emerald green. Oh my God! And black. Like Honor 200 Pro, Honor 200 is a true AI portrait master because of these powerful AI features, ladies and gentlemen. Again, this has been Jainer Lamarca proudly walking you through the AI portrait master Honor 200 series.
So many things to discover with the Honor 200 series. And once again, thank you so much to up to its title as the AI Portrait Master. It is indeed the epitome of craftsmanship meets technology. With its specs as discussed, so we can undoubtedly honor our best selves with every perfect shot that we capture. And of course, kailangan yun ang proof. And to back this up, we have a number of partners eager to attest to the Honor 205G series groundbreaking capabilities. To introduce and join our partners on stage, please join me in welcoming Honor Philippines PR Manager, Mr. Pao Oga.
Thank you so much, Princess. And thank you so much, Jaynard, for sharing the amazing features of Honor 205G series. Absolutely another world-class masterpiece from Honor. Good evening, Honor Philippines. Happy to see all of you. Alright. Hello again to Honor media friends. Alright. Hello to our Honor stars, community friends, our viewers online, grand viewers, friends from Smart Philippines, our online partners from Lazada, TikTok, of course from Harman Philippines, Maya, and of course the executives from GMA7. Good evening, ma'am. Tonight I am so thrilled to share about the synergy between Honor Philippines and our brand partners who were our strong allies in the success of the Honor 200 series campaign. Honor and our brand partners have one mission and one goal, and that is to be committed to innovation, quality, and customer satisfaction. Our target audiences overlap significantly, making this partnership a natural fit. By combining our strengths, we can create a truly memorable collaboration and drive significant engagement and build an innovative and tech-driven community. Now that the Honor 200 is coming in the Philippines, we have partnered with the top digital bank in the country, Maya, in bringing the hardcore studio Paris experience to Filipinos in the back-to-school program. This campaign highlights the Enroll Now Pay Later for up to 30,000 and let joiners earn raffle entries upon using Maya as their mode of payment for every back-to-school spend, investment, and savings, and even rewards to referral. From July 1 to August 31, 2024, 20 lucky winners of 10,000 pesos and 4 lucky winners of Honor 200, Honor Band 6, Honor Premium YouTube Speaker, and Honor Earbuds 2 will be selected. Alright? And true to the company's vision and mantra to go beyond. Honor partners with the largest gaming festival in the world, the Esports World Cup in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. And you know what? We are very, very proud that Honor 200 Pro is the official smartphone of the EWC, leveraging on the device's cutting-edge technology to power esports competitions in popular mobile games like Free Fire, Honor of Kings, and the Women's Mobile Legends Tournament. The partnership will focus on engaging global gamers, strengthening brand identities, and fostering a community driven by the spirit of competition. And to give you a glimpse of this partnership, please watch this quick video. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. And by the way, I have a gorgeous friend here who went to Riyadh and PwC personally and experienced totally how powerful and stunning the Honor 200 is. And I'd like to call on Miss Narga Aquino. Thank you for attending and joining us tonight.
Hello!
Kamusta? Ayan.
Hello, everybody!
Ayan, so balikan daw you went straight to Riyadh, Saudi Arabia last 2 weeks ago, right?
Yes, I just got back yesterday.
Just for the honor, right? Just for the honor 200.
Exactly. I came here just in time for this event. I was in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia for MLBB, or ML as people call it. So MLBB is a phenomenon, it's a trend. It has millions upon millions of active players, and it's one of the most downloaded games worldwide. So I went there for the Esports World Cup. It's also called EWC in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. And it was such a good experience. So what Saudi did was that they built an entire city, and within 2 months, they built roads and buildings. And what they are hoping for is to make it the Las Vegas of the world. So imagine, it was such a joy working there. Our stage was so big, it was probably 6 times the size of this. The floor is LED. The wall is also LED, probably 3 times the size of this. So, and in the buildings, it's also made out of LED the outside. So depending on the event, they'll just dress it up. So picture Barbie, you've seen Barbie, right?
Yeah.
And a lot of people have seen at least a trailer of Barbie. So how they did it there is that they would dress up the buildings and the venue depending on the event that's there. Even the name of the building, they change it according to the sponsor. So I know that Honor has a partnership with EWC, the Esports World Cup, but I can just imagine in the future here, the building there will be called Honor Arena. So the host will be like, welcome to Honor Arena in the next years, right? Or even the reporter will be like, coming to you live from Saudi Arabia, this is Honor Arena. That has a nice ring to it. So it's so nice that Honor is now partnering up with EWC. And I know that we're going to have EWC in Saudi in the next 5 years. So it's changing the way things are. They want to be the global capital of esports, sports, concerts, you name it. That's supposed to be the place in the next years. And I know a lot of people here are probably asking, especially the women, isn't it scary in Saudi, in Riyadh? Aren't the women treated low there? Absolutely not. Working there changed the way I viewed Saudi, especially Riyadh. It's changed over the decade. In fact, as soon as I got out of the airport, and my 2 co-workers didn't see me with my luggage struggling, the Saudi man immediately came up and said, men must help women. So women are treated like princesses there. So it was such a joy, and I'm looking forward to the partnership of Honor with EWC.
Of course. And I believe that during your stay there, you were using Honor 200, right?
Oh yes, absolutely. It's so crisp. I was so shocked with the way the portrait looked. It looked so amazing. Even my friends, they were like, what phone is that? Because even the phone, even the brand, the popular phones, you know what? Honor beat their picture. It was so amazing. They were asking me about it. My only regret is that I didn't get my hands on it sooner. I would have loved to have it sooner. And I know that now we're going to have the Women's League there. It's such a big deal also because after the Esports World Cup MS in 2024, we also have the Women's League, which is MLBB Invitational, Women's Invitational, MWI 2024. And they're also going to be there to represent the Philippines. How about I introduce them?
Of course. Please do so.
Now everybody please give a big hand to the 32nd silver gold medalist with the Southeast Asian Games 2023, Smart Omega Empress.
There you go, ladies. Smart Omega Empress.
Hello ladies.
Hello there.
Let me just tell you.
I'll say on the other side.
Ito ang ating mga kababaihan, ang ating Women's League who's representing the Philippines, changing the landscape of esports. They
ladies introduce yourselves to everybody, let everybody know who you are?
Hello everyone, we are Sport Omega Empress and I am Mary Christine Rivera, I am the team captain and I am the rower of the team.
I'm Amor, the maintainer of the team.
I'm Ami, the explainer. I'm Keishi, the jungler. And I'm Shinoa, the goalkeeper.
I'm so proud of you, ladies. Let me just say, imagine we brought home silver for the 32nd SEA Games in 2023. So nakaka-proud talaga kayo, especially me being a woman. So gaano ka-importante ba para sa inyo to represent Philippines another time, this time at the Esports World Cup?
And also this time, you will be bringing honors 200 pro with you guys, right?
For us, it's crucially important because we want to bring pride and honor to the country, to our country, and while also wanting to represent female in the esports team. We want to show the world that women in the Philippines can also show dominance in the MLBPC.
That's right! The women in the esports team can show dominance. Paano ba nararamdaman niyo? Are you guys nervous? Because you know what? This is the biggest prize pool yet. They'll be fighting for the 500,000 USD prize pool, and first place will take home $250,000 US dollars. That's equivalent to 14.5 million pesos. So hindi ba kayo kinakabahan?
Honestly, may kakampi ako pero masaya po kasi nasa big stage na po kami tsaka malaki po yung prize. Pero we've been prepared na po for how many months kaya prepared na po kami ngayon. At sana makapangin po kami sa ibang regions at sana maganda po yung magiging result.
So gusto nyo malagpasan yung second place na kuha nila last time. Kasi ang alam ko, at least 10 hours naglalaro sila, nagpa-practice. So it means so much to you. But you know, with this world-class event, of course, you're going to be using a world-class phone. So what's your message to everybody that's watching you here? What's your message to them?
First of all, maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. Sana supportahan niyo po kami sa upcoming Women's League po sa MWI. Next week po gaganapin sa Saudi Arabia. And of course, thank you po sa honor for inviting us here sa Grand Lodge po. And sana supportahan niyo po kami lalo na sa mga women leaders na natin dyan. Sana masuportahan niyo po kami sa upcoming tournaments po namin. And I hope na looking forward po na mas maganda po yung gaming experience po namin ganun po yung content po. Kasi
That's
yan po
for
yung,
sure.
kasi yan po yung official gaming phone po namin na nagkakalit sa Saudi Arabia.
And it's so amazing that Honor 200 is going all the way to Riyadh, Saudi Arabia for such a world-class event. So on behalf of Smart Omega Empress and to everybody from EWC, thank you so much. And I know that all the ladies here will be given Honor 200.
Right? Okay, ready?
Smart Omega Empress is breaking boundaries, changing the landscape of esports. Now let's smile for the camera. Let's drop. Let's immortalize this event by having a photo with Honor. Let's show the back of the phone. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, Tara.
Thank you.
Such a pleasure.
And my vision one day is to be a stage host once again for the Esports World Cup. And next time I'm gonna say, welcome to the Honor Arena.
Thank you so much, Tara. Good to see you again. Again, thank you so much, guys. Honor and good to see you again. All the best and luck and go to bring all the big guys with a new Honor 200 girl. And moving on to another partnership with Honor. I am pretty sure that everyone here in the studio has seen and heard the JBL Sound Gear Frames audio glasses during our Arcade Studios. And all of us, were surprised and astounded by the advancement of this gear. And I know all of you are all excited to hear more of the details about this partnership. So I would like to call on Mr. Dan Secreto, Director of Consumer Audio of Harman Philippines, to share more about the Harman and Honor Philippines.
Okay, so honestly, before coming here, I don't know what to say about the product because I know Honor is one of the best phones out there with the best camera features. So I don't know what else we can add, what value we can add to Honor phone. So basically, one of the things we thought about is audio quality. Okay, so now JBL is proud to say that we have partnered with Honor. Okay. We are honored to partner with Honor. Okay, so now we are giving you one of our latest products, which is JBL Sound Gear Frame. This one. I will try it for you. This is not just a simple frames. It has speakers. So you can connect your mobile phones, your Bluetooth mobile phones, and you can listen to music, you can make a call. Okay, you can make adjustments to your volume, you can forward the music using this, just tapping the side of your frames. So this is one of our latest products. Actually, we launched this 2 weeks ago. We held an event in Cebu, and we launched this to some of the media who are also present here, right? Princess is here. So, and we launched this July 2. On July 3, we got a report that it's sold out in the market. Okay? This is all sold out. So now you are lucky to have this with your Honor phones. Because we reallocated all the stocks, all our stocks to be bundled with Honor phones. So if you're going to buy Honor 200, you will simply get this JBL Sound Gear frames. So we are happy to have a partnership with Honor, and thank you for actually this is not the first time we have partnered with Honor. We have several partnerships in the past, and all the phones that we have bundled this. We have bundled JBL speakers are all sold out. So this time, one of the best products of JBL is now bundled with Honor 200. So I hope you will all, patronize and buy Honor 200 and get this special sound gear frames. The price of this frame is already 9,500. I don't know what's the price of Honor 200. This is 9,500 frames. So it's now only available with Honor. So all the stores are actually showcasing the sound gear frames. So thank you very much for patronizing Honor. Thank you very much for patronizing JBL.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Thanks, Gabby, and thanks to Harman Philippines for this partnership. We really look forward to next another strong collaboration with you in our future campaigns. And for the last partnership, I am so excited to announce that this year, Honor Philippines will be one of the major partners of the biggest celebrity gatherings in the country, the GMA Gala 2024. And what excites me here is that we will be bringing in the Honor 200 AI portrait camera and the Harcourt Studio in the celebration with, of course, our leader partner, One Record. And to give you a teaser of this new GNA Gala, please watch this video. Alright, and to give us more details about this partnership, we have here our very special guests from the GNA executives. I'd like to call on, I am so honored to be honest, Attorney Annette Gonzalez Valdez, GNA's Senior Vice President for Programming, Talent Management, Legal, Human Resources Development, and Worldwide Group. And along with her is Ms. Joy Marcelo, Vice President for Sparkle GNA Army Center.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, I'd like to thank Honor for being a partner in our event that's going to be held this Saturday. I'm sure that with my Honor phone, I'll be able to take such beautiful pictures of that night, and for sure we will share it with all of you on social media. And also our Honor ambassadors will be bringing their Honor phones, and for sure they will be taking beautiful pictures and sharing them as well. So, Joy, will share more.
Okay, so thank you and congratulations again to the team for the launch of Honor 200. So I am very excited for the partnership. This is already on Saturday. So we are all excited to see the portraits that you will take of us, of our artists, and of all the attendees. So we hope to have more collaborations with you in the future.
Yes. It's an honor to be with Honor.
Correct. We're very honored.
And of course, before we let you go, I'll call on our honor executives, Steven and Shine, for the photo op. to honor the Philippines. And of course, to our honored fans, we have been waiting for this powerful device to be sold in the market. We won't keep you waiting because you can now buy the Honor 200 series starting today, as in today. And you can already pre-order the Honor 200 Pro for only pesos. And you can purchase Honor 200 for as low as sorry? There you go. 599 pesos. I got excited. You can pre-order starting today until July 26th on both devices, and you will get a free JBL soundproof frames, all the glasses, with 9,499 pesos. And to give you more details about it, to avail the Honor 200 5G series, you can avail 0% installment plans via home pay and all credit cards here in the Philippines. And soon, very soon, we will have postpaid plans for you with the support of our partner, Smart Telecommunications, via signature plan. And you can visit our other branch stores and this partner dealer stores, and you can also check out in Lazada, Shopee, and TikTok Shop. Alright, again, my name is Paolo, and thank you very much everyone. Enjoy the night, and it has been an honor to reveal the Honor 200 and Honor 200 Pro.
Pero you know, yes, we are so excited as well. So excited because we have a lot of partnerships and collaborations. No? So thank you so much once again for the cutting edge technology and for revealing the price of the Honor 200 5G series to us. Now, please remain on stage. Be with me for now, pal, as we call on the Honor executives and the partners for a quick photo opportunity. And while we wait for them, pal, of course, once again, ladies and gentlemen, for the price of...
And for the pesos for the Honor 200.
Yes, at 29,999 pesos for the Honor 200 Pro. You can get yourself your very own Honor 200 and Honor 200 Pro now available nationwide. To those who are watching us online also, take note na yan, i-out the partner na yan. And as a special treat for you all, you will also get JBL sound gear frames as freebies if you place your order during the pre-order period. Nagkaya mo na ba yun, pal? Hindi ba, di ba?
Wala ko na umahan sa
Oo, akala ko sa lalagyan. Home music pa, diba? You can use it at home, in the airport, at home, diba? Now we have a reason to wear shades at home. And please do not miss out on this amazing offer. Seize the opportunity to elevate your Honor 200 experience with JBL. And once you get your hands on the Honor 200 5G series, there is no going back. It's all you want in a phone and more. So no matter the occasion or the vibe kung saan man kayo pupunta, the Honor 200 5G series can be your best new accessory, reliable, sleek, and top-notch. Now, help me in welcoming on stage our Honor executives. So let's start off first, of course, with Honor Philippines Country Manager, Mr. Sean Yuan. forget our hashtags for tonight. Hashtag Honor 200. Hashtag Honor AI Portrait Master. What galing mo na mga hashtag na ito. And of course, you know our social media handles as well. And this time around to our honor executives, please show us the Honor 200 Pro. And those who are online, baka naman pwedeng mag-thumbs up dyan. Give us your best comments as well. And please use once again the hashtags for tonight. Yes. One more time. There we go. Thank you so much to everyone. And to our honor executives, please stay on stage. May we now call on for a quick photo opportunity, the one and only Miss Mara Aquino. And also, of course, our Director of Consumer Audio, Carmen of Philippines, Mr. Larry Secreto. Grabe naman yung fans na yun. There she is, the beautiful Miss Mara Aquino, fresh from Riyadh. Grabe, so nice to see you here. Thank you so much for gracing us with your presence. Galing ko siya doon, I've watched the championship and it is such a pleasure. Represent talaga ang Philippines. And of course, Mr. Larry Secreto, thank you so much for introducing to us JBL Sound Gear Frames. And once again, for those who are watching us online, I hope you guys took notes because as you pre-order the Honor 200 5G, you will get yourselves your very own JBL Sound Gear Frames. Alright, once again, to those who are posting their photos and videos, please don't forget the hashtags for tonight. It's hashtag Honor 200 and hashtag Honor AI Portrait Master. One more time, with the phone this time around. There we go, give us your best smiles. And once again, ladies and gentlemen, let us all give a hand for our honor executives. And of course, to Ms. Mara Aquino and Mr. Larry Secreto. It is so nice to see you guys again here tonight. How is everybody doing? Okay ba ba kayo? One more time, are you guys having fun? Alright, now, at this point, everybody, hold on to your seats because it's time to bring out our surprise celebrity performer. Meron ba kayong guess kung sino siya? Hindi ka marinig, isa pa. Gwapo siya, magaling siyang kumanta. May guess pa kayo? Wala pa, surprise. Galing natin magtago ng surprise natin. Ladies and gentlemen, here to serenade us with his outstanding vocals. Let's put our hands together for the one and only Asia's romantic balladeer, Mr. Christian Bautista.
Thank you so much. Good evening, everybody. Please relax, enjoy, check out the phones, check out the sunglasses. This song's called Hands in Heaven. Thank you so much for coming out tonight. As I watch you move across the moonlit road, there's so much tenderness in your love. Tomorrow I must leave. The dawn knows no way. God give me strength when I am leaving. So raise your hands to heaven and pray that we'll be back together someday. Yeah. Tonight, your sweet caress, hold me in the darkness. Tonight you calm my restlessness, you relieve my sadness. As we go to
drive me insane. Without your touch, life will be lonely. So raise your hands to heaven and pray that we'll be back together someday. Tonight I need your sweet caress. Hold me in the darkness. Tonight you calm my restlessness. You relieve my sadness. Tonight I need your sweet caress. Hold me in the darkness. Tonight you calm my restlessness. You relieve my mornings come when I'm away. I will smile my eyes and say goodbye, goodbye. Tonight, your sweetness, hold me in the darkness. Tonight you calm my restlessness. You relieve my. Tonight I need your sweet caress. Hold me in the darkness. Tonight you calm my restlessness. You relieve my sadness. Tonight I need you. Tonight I need you. You relieve my You relieve my
Ito na ba? Ito na? Okay na sila. Ibigay sa mga. Yan na, yan. Okay, music please. Let's check this out. Isa ko na ginagawa. Here we go. Used to sing in black and white, never really in between. Waiting on the love of my life to come to my dreams. Everything was shades of gray, never really knew for me. Needed someone else to turn to, someone who would help me learn to see all the beauty that was waiting for me. You were the blue back in the sky. You were the rainbow in my eyes, a silver lining in my ways. Now there's color everywhere. You were the red back in the road, just when I needed it the most. You came along to show you care, and now there's color everywhere. Life is so beautiful, never-ending mystery. But ever since you shined the light, all of that is history. Now I have a hand to hold, and a reason to believe. There's someone in my life worth living for. I was hanging around just wishing on a star to put the happiness back in my heart. And you were the blue back in the sky. You were the rainbow in my eyes, a silver lining in my ways. And now there's color everywhere. You were the red back in the rose, just when I needed you the most. You came along
put the blue back in the sky. You put the rainbow in my eyes. I still the lighting in my face. And now there's color everywhere. You put the red back in the road. Just when I need it the most. You leave alone, show you care. And now there's color everywhere. Thank you very much. Okay, the last song is called The Way You Look at Me. Pero wag yung any singles here, malungkot that means maranas, like up close and personal. Okay, this lady over here. Music please, here we go. Ikaw, Cause there's something in the way you look at me. It's as if my heart knows you're missing piece. You make me believe that there's nothing in this world I can be. I never know you see, but there's something in the way. Cause there's something in the way. It's as if my heart knows missing piece. You make me believe that there's nothing in this world I can be. I never know you see, but there's something in the way.
From the stage, it is Bob pesos and 29,999 pesos. That's for the Honor 200 and the Honor 200 Pro. You can get your very own AI Portrait Master in the Honor 200 and the Honor 200 Pro. And of course, to those who are watching from the comfort of their homes, maraming salamat po for joining us tonight. And thank you so much for tuning in live and for being a part of tonight's milestone, tonight's celebration, as we welcome once again the AI Portrait Master, the Honor 205G Series. And of course, to everyone, we can't wait for you guys to get your hands on the beautiful and brilliant Honor 205G Series too. So we'll see what they have later on. To our lively all-around audience, we have more in store for you guys. So wala ko lang aalis, wala ko lang mag-drive, wala na tao ng grab. We still have drinks to ensure we end this night with a bang. So yes, we do have drinks, overflowing drinks. So please indulge one drink moderately for those who are driving on their own. And later on, we will also be announcing the winners of the Honor 207-day photo challenge. And hindi lang yun, as always, whenever we have our launch, sabi naman yun, we are giving away raffle prizes tonight. Are you guys ready and excited? And you guys, hindi ko umpisahan ang raffle na to. Hindi natin umpisahan ang